A Spectrum modem blinking white and blue typically means it's in activation mode, trying to connect to Spectrum's network. White indicates standby or initialization, while blue signifies online connectivity attempts. This often occurs during initial setup, after a service interruption, or following a firmware update. It's a standard process for DOCSIS 3.1 and 4.0 modems as they sync with Spectrum's network to negotiate for an IP address. If it persists, it could indicate a firmware mismatch or necessitate a reboot. Ideally, white should turn solid to show it is ready, then blue should turn solid to show the internet connection is online. First, ensure the coaxial cable is securely connected and the modem is powered on. Try a hard reset. Unplug the modem for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Use the My Spectrum app to check the modem's status remotely. This app can often diagnose and resolve issues. If the blinking continues after several minutes, contact Spectrum support for assistance. They can refresh the device remotely. Advanced users can access the modem's web interface, usually at 192.168.100.1, to check for error codes like T3, timeouts, or T4, sync loss, which can provide further insight for support. Regular updates and proper installation can also prevent these issues.